Hey guys, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and in this tutorial, we'll be going over how to easily create amazing t-shirt designs on your smartphone with the Canva mobile app. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so you'll be notified each time I release a new tutorial. With Canva, you can access tons of t-shirt templates that you can use for your designs. The Canva mobile app is a free app that can be downloaded on any smartphone. Simply go to your app store and search for Canva. So here's the Canva mobile app. It has a blue icon with a white C. If you haven't already, go ahead and download the Canva mobile app to your smartphone. Once you've downloaded the app, go ahead and open it up. So here's the Canva mobile app. As you can see, it's very similar to Canva's actual website. The first section here on the app allows you to create a design. Since we want to create a t-shirt design, let's select the option that says t-shirt. This will take you to a page where you can view tons of different t-shirt design templates that you can use for your design. Feel free to take some time to browse through the various templates to see which one you would like to use. For my example t-shirt design, I think I'll go with this template here. So here's the Canva image editor. Just like on the Canva website, you can access all sorts of tools to edit your image any way you like. So as an example, let's create a custom design using this template. First, let's edit my text. I'm simply going to select the text, then type in the words I want to use. For my design, I'm going to type in always think. With my text selected, I can use the toolbar at the bottom to change the font size, the font colors, or the font type. I'm just going to make my font size a bit smaller. Next, let's edit the second line of text on the template here. For this text, I'm going to change it to positive. If you haven't guessed yet, this will be a dog design. Now I'm going to select the text and use the toolbar at the bottom to change my font size and my font type. As you can see, Canva has tons of different fonts that you can choose from to use for your design. I think I'll go with this font here. Once you select your font, you should see it change on your template. Certain fonts are sized differently, so if you change your font, you may have to adjust your size as well. And there we have it. My text now says always think positive. Now that I'm finished with my text, let's add an image as well. To make room for my image, I'm simply going to select and drag all of my design elements down a bit. There we go. Now I have room to add an image to my design template. To add an image to our template, let's click the little plus sign down at the bottom right hand side of the screen here. This should open up a menu where you can select to add various elements to your template. If you already have a custom design that you want to add to your template, you can upload it by using the upload button here. But for my design, I'm going to search the Canva elements library. So let's select the elements button here. Here's where you can search through Canva Elements Pro to find clip art and other elements to add to your design. Since I'm creating a dog design, let's type in puppy. As you can see, this brings up tons of different puppy clip art that I can browse through. Canva does offer free images, but to get the entire image library, you're gonna need a Canva Pro account. If you want to give Canva Pro a try, click the link in the video description to try it out free for 30 days. So for my t-shirt design, I think I'll go with this Canva Pro image here. There we go. Now that I have my puppy image, I can move it to the correct location and resize it to make it a bit bigger. And voila! Here's my always think positive puppy t-shirt design. Now that I've finished creating my design, I can now export it to add it to the products in my store. But before exporting, I want to resize my image to make sure it doesn't look pixelated on my t-shirts and other products. If you look at the top of the screen, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. Go ahead and click this to open up the menu. From here, you can scroll down and you should see a tab that says Resize. Go ahead and click that now. This will take you to a menu where you can create a custom size for your image. But in order to use the image resizing tool, you're gonna need a Canva Pro account. So let's select the custom size option here. Before adjusting my size, let's click this lock in the middle here to lock my dimensions. Next, let's click the drop down menu on the right here to select a measurement. I'm gonna select pixels. Now that I've locked my dimensions and selected pixels as my measurement, I can now adjust my design size. When exporting designs for the products in my store, I like my designs to be at least 4,000 pixels. This seems to be the standard size for t-shirt designs. Now that I've selected my custom size, I can go down to the bottom and click on the Resize button. There we go. My image has now been resized and is ready for export. To export my final design, let's look at the menu at the top of the screen and click on the icon at the far right here. This will open up a menu to give you various options to save your image. In order to export our image without the colored background, we're gonna have to save with transparency. Without selecting this option, your t-shirt design is gonna have a colored square behind it. But in order to resize your designs and save them with transparency, you're gonna need a Canva Pro account. Once you sign up for Canva Pro, not only will you be able to resize and remove the background from your images, but also access all the images, videos, and audios in the Canva Pro library, get access to tons of new fonts to use for your designs, access all the premium t-shirt design templates, and tons of other tools and features that can help you build and grow your business. Even if you end up deciding to cancel, you can still make a lot of t-shirt designs in 30 days. So let's select Save with Transparency, and my design should automatically start exporting. Once it's complete, your new design should now be saved to your smartphone. Let's open it up and see how it looks. Not bad. Looks like it's ready to be uploaded to the products in my store. The process should be similar regardless of the platform you sell on, but for this example, I'll be uploading my design to Redbubble. So let's head over to the Redbubble website on my smartphone, go to my account menu, then click on Add New Work. I can now click to upload the new design that I just created. So let's go to my photo library on my phone, select my puppy t-shirt design, and upload my new design. Once your design finishes uploading, you can then create your product listing by adding your title, description, key product features, and other elements. So now let's scroll down to my products and see how my design created on my smartphone actually looks on the t-shirt. There we go. I think the design looks great. By using Canva Pro to export your design with a transparent background and to resize your image to make it larger, you can create professional, high-quality t-shirt designs that your customers will love. So that's a quick example of how to create t-shirt designs on your smartphone using the Canva mobile app. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.